Have you ever dreamed of living in a place where your retirement savings stretch further, your lifestyle is richer, and the scenery takes your breath away every day? What if I told you there's a hidden gem where you can enjoy all this without breaking the bank? Stick around because today, we're uncovering the top 15 reasons why retiring in Ecuador might just be the best decision you'll ever make, especially if you're on a budget. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to pack your bags and start your new life in paradise. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and insights on living your dream life, whether that's in the comfort of your home or halfway across the globe. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be considering a change of scenery in their golden years. Now, let's dive into why Ecuador is becoming a top retirement destination for savvy retirees looking to stretch their dollars and elevate their lifestyles. Ecuador might not be the first country that comes to mind when you think of retirement, but this South American gem is quickly rising in popularity among expats, and for good reason. From its stunning natural landscapes to its affordable cost of living, Ecuador offers a unique blend of cultural richness, modern conveniences, and financial freedom that's hard to beat. But what makes Ecuador so special? Well, it's not just the picturesque colonial cities, the Amazon rainforest, or the breathtaking Andes mountains. It's the quality of life you can enjoy here, on a fraction of what it would cost in other popular retirement destinations. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a pristine beach, savoring fresh, locally grown fruits at your breakfast table, and spending your afternoons exploring vibrant markets or soaking in natural hot springs. And the best part? You can do all of this without worrying about your budget. So, without further ado, let's get into the top 15 reasons why you should consider retiring in Ecuador, especially if you're looking to make your retirement savings go further. Top 15 reasons. 1. Low cost of living. Imagine living in a place where every dollar you spend goes a long way, allowing you to live comfortably without constantly watching your budget. In Ecuador, the cost of living is astonishingly low compared to what you'd find in most Western countries. Picture yourself renting a spacious, modern apartment in a charming colonial city for a fraction of what you'd pay back home. Daily expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment are so affordable that you might find yourself indulging in luxuries you never considered before. Ecuador allows you to stretch your retirement savings further, giving you the freedom to truly enjoy life without financial stress. 2. Affordable healthcare. Healthcare is one of the most significant concerns for retirees, but in Ecuador, you can breathe easy knowing that high-quality medical care is not only accessible but incredibly affordable. The country boasts a modern healthcare system with state-of-the-art facilities and highly trained doctors, many of whom have studied in the US or Europe. Imagine getting world-class care at a fraction of the cost you'd pay back home, whether it's routine checkups, dental work, or even complex surgeries. And with the option to join Ecuador's national health insurance plan for a small monthly fee, you can enjoy comprehensive coverage without the hefty price tag. Peace of mind has never been so affordable. 3. Retiree benefits. Ecuador rolls out the red carpet for retirees with a range of benefits that make life even more enjoyable. As a retiree, you're entitled to a variety of discounts on everyday expenses, from flights and bus fares to utilities and cultural events. Imagine paying half price for a domestic flight or getting significant discounts on your electric and water bills. The government's pensioner visa program is straightforward, making it easy for you to gain residency and start enjoying these perks almost immediately. Ecuador doesn't just welcome retirees, it celebrates them, ensuring you can make the most of your golden years. 4. Diverse climate options. One of the unique charms of Ecuador is its incredibly diverse climate, which offers something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to the cool, crisp air of the Andean highlands, the warm, tropical climate of the coast, or the lush, green surroundings of the Amazon, Ecuador has it all. Picture yourself choosing a home that perfectly matches your climate preference, whether it's a cozy mountain retreat where you can enjoy spring-like weather year-round, or a beachfront bungalow where the sun shines almost every day. In Ecuador, you can easily find your ideal climate without ever having to leave the country. 5. Rich culture and history. Ecuador is a country steeped in history and rich in culture, offering a vibrant tapestry of experiences for retirees to explore. Imagine wandering through ancient Incan ruins, strolling down the cobblestone streets of beautifully preserved colonial cities, or participating in colorful festivals that celebrate Ecuador's diverse heritage. The country's rich cultural scene is alive with music, dance, and art, providing endless opportunities to immerse yourself in new experiences. Whether you're exploring local markets filled with handmade crafts or savoring traditional dishes in a quaint village, Ecuador's culture invites you to connect deeply with its people and history. 6. Stunning natural beauty. Nature lovers will find themselves in paradise in Ecuador, a country known for its stunning and diverse natural beauty. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the dense, mysterious Amazon rainforest and the pristine beaches along the Pacific coast, Ecuador offers breathtaking landscapes at every turn. Imagine waking up to views of snow-capped volcanoes, spending your afternoons hiking through lush cloud forests teeming with exotic wildlife, or unwinding on a tranquil beach with the sound of waves gently crashing in the background. Ecuador's natural beauty is not just a backdrop. It's a lifestyle that invites you to explore, discover, and be constantly amazed. Before we dive into the next incredible reason why Ecuador should be at the top of your retirement list, I want to take a quick moment to ask for your support. If you're enjoying this video and finding these insights valuable, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people who could benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means the world to us and helps our channel grow, allowing us to continue bringing you the best tips, tricks, and advice for living your dream life. Now, let's get back to the countdown. 7. Proximity to the U.S. Proximity to the United States is another huge plus for retirees considering Ecuador. With direct flights that take just a few hours, you're never too far from home. Imagine the convenience of being able to visit family and friends back in the U.S. whenever you like, or having them easily come visit you in your new paradise. The short travel time means you can maintain close connections with loved ones without the hassle of long, expensive flights. Ecuador allows you to enjoy the adventure of living abroad while staying closely connected to the people who matter most. 8. Welcoming expat community. The expat community in Ecuador is not just welcoming, it's thriving. Moving to a new country can be a daunting experience, but in Ecuador, you'll quickly find a network of fellow expats who are eager to help you settle in. Imagine having a built-in support system of people who have already navigated the challenges of relocating and are happy to share their tips and experiences. Whether you're looking for advice on the best neighborhoods, recommendations for local services, or simply someone to share a cup of coffee with, the expat community here is a valuable resource that will make your transition smoother and more enjoyable. 9. Modern amenities. Despite its affordability, Ecuador doesn't skimp on modern amenities. Whether you're living in a bustling city or a quiet coastal town, you'll have access to everything you need to live comfortably and conveniently. High-speed internet, reliable public transportation, and well-stocked supermarkets are just the beginning. Imagine shopping at modern malls with a variety of international brands, dining at restaurants offering global cuisine, and even pampering yourself at luxury spas, all without breaking the bank. In Ecuador, you can enjoy a modern lifestyle with all the conveniences you're used to, but at a much lower cost. 10. Real estate opportunities. Real estate opportunities in Ecuador are as diverse as they are affordable. Whether you're dreaming of a beachfront condo, a mountain cabin, or a historic colonial home, Ecuador offers properties that suit every taste and budget. Imagine owning a home with breathtaking views, all for a price that would be unthinkable in many other parts of the world. The country's real estate market is full of hidden gems waiting to be discovered, and with property taxes being incredibly low, owning a piece of paradise is not just a dream, it's an attainable reality. Ecuador's real estate is a smart investment in your future, offering both value and beauty. 11. Safety and security. Safety is a top priority for anyone considering moving abroad, and Ecuador delivers with its reputation as one of the safer countries in Latin America. Imagine living in a community where you feel secure and welcomed, where the locals greet you with a smile and are always ready to lend a helping hand. While it's important to exercise the same caution you would anywhere, many expat-friendly areas in Ecuador are known for their low crime rates and strong sense of community. Here, You can enjoy your retirement in peace, knowing that you've chosen a destination where safety and security are part of the package. 12. Fresh, organic food. Ecuador is a haven for food lovers, thanks to its abundance of fresh, organic produce. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie made from locally grown tropical fruits or shopping at a bustling market where farmers sell their harvest directly to you. The country's fertile land produces a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains year-round, ensuring that your meals are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Eating well in Ecuador isn't just a treat. It's a way of life that's both affordable and accessible. The farm-to-table experience here is unparalleled, making every meal a celebration of flavor and health. 13. Stable currency. One of the biggest advantages of retiring in Ecuador is the stability of its currency, the US dollar. Imagine the convenience of not having to worry about fluctuating exchange rates or the complexities of currency conversion. Managing your finances becomes a breeze, with your purchasing power remaining consistent and predictable. The use of the US dollar also adds an extra layer of financial security, making it easier to plan your budget and avoid the stress that can come with currency instability. In Ecuador, you can focus on enjoying your retirement rather than worrying about your money. 14. Low taxes for retirees looking to maximize their savings. Ecuador's low tax burden is a major draw. Imagine keeping more of your hard-earned money, thanks to the country's tax-friendly policies. There's no tax on foreign income, meaning you can enjoy your retirement savings without the fear of losing a significant portion to taxes. Property taxes are also incredibly low, making homeownership more affordable. In Ecuador, your money works harder for you, allowing you to enjoy a higher quality of life with less financial strain. It's a place where your retirement dollars truly go further. 15. Laid-back lifestyle. Life in Ecuador moves at a wonderfully relaxed pace, offering retirees the chance to truly savor their golden years. Imagine days filled with leisurely strolls through charming towns, afternoons spent sipping coffee at a local cafe, or evenings enjoying a beautiful sunset without the rush and stress of your previous life. The Ecuadorian lifestyle is all about living in the moment, enjoying simple pleasures, and embracing a slower, more intentional way of living. Here, you'll find the time and space to focus on what really matters: your health, happiness, and overall well-being. Ecuador offers not just a place to live, but a way to thrive. And there you have it. 15 compelling reasons why Ecuador should be at the top of your list if you're thinking about retiring abroad, especially if you're on a budget. From its affordable cost of living to its incredible natural beauty, Ecuador offers everything you need to enjoy a fulfilling, stress-free retirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with anyone you know who's considering a move abroad. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and advice on living your best life, no matter where you choose to call home.